Business is very wonderful. Business is good. Onye ọbụla savụga Chineke ga-enwerịrị ihe ọ na-arụ. Even pastors to see when you have. Are you hearing me? But let not your business take all time for God. That God's time must be precious before you. Chineke ga-enwerịrị oge na ndụ gị. Ndị nwere egwu Chineke na-abụ asịgwo the crowd na ịga na business ana time ruhala. Even now by 4, by 3 agbashimine gwa people I am because I'm in program. That is integrity. There are people here because I hear na ground Sunday. Sunday kaka ha here. Therefore, akwụsịla ha ịga church on Sunday. You are not a material for heaven. You can't be materials for heaven. They are not moved by things they see. They are being controlled by the things of God, not by the things of this world. A true believer, they miss weekly activity. Tuesday Bible study program. You don't miss it. I want you somebody here who only goes to service on Sundays. You are not a material for heaven. You are not. Jesus said, I will go about my Father's business. Things of God must be business-like. Seriousness must be attached to it. Praise God. Amen. He said, no, that has sworn. No, sworn deceitfully. Deceit. For the here now, do you here? Get your ways you. We are full of liars who go to church. Full of liars. There are people here every day once, twice. Before the war, didn't hop on a food. Actually, when I go school fee, my cover not 10,000, home wedding not 15,000. Those little things is leading you to hell. Before can use their children or their head to lie. Issue waga ho na ho chiri good log. Maybe your husband is not around. Yeah, get good log. And he chiri go wapa. You will pay for it when the time comes. Tell them the truth. I want you to be known as a man, a woman that says nothing but the truth. Oh yeah. Abuklonya na enyi okwu enyi. Giburu nwanyị a na-enyi okwu enyi. Aha gị bụrụ sword already aha gị bụrụ sword. For some of you who are married, some of you who are waiting to be married, if you want to get the heart of your husband, tell him nothing but the truth. Nothing but the truth. The other day I was going through something on internet. I saw a woman on Ulo without a DM in my idea. Now you know what happened. What really happened was DNA ni egonly. Dear all the extravagant in spending. On our Lord, dear Logan is ball and up with on a spend their gun anyhow. You know, extravagantly. So, young wine, go shienly. Why save also? So you know Odoziaka, Odoria. Imagine K will give one neighbor. Mother one in kitchen, Cherry will Doziaka, Kitty will react. So this one Megidi here, Megidi, you know, saving money before you know it, she was able to save, you know, a lot of money. Yaga Guala without the knowledge of the husband. You know? Before you know it, he put all about it's like 3 bedroom or thereabout. Not 3 bedroom. Paint here, fence oya, lock oya. After some time, DNA problem about now. I try you know. The woman on bone for a banquet. Google Lebi Emene spy. They were now about Otesha. They were bad packing out. I had a Otesha park. Why yes it dear? No, if I got learn about the news. The man I'm on the Yabani. Why ya Poria? Now get ball, now get ball, now get ball, now get ball, now get ball. I'm not a banner. Until they got to a place. The woman Lotto, Cherokee, Bape get. Look what it onion will get in our Bape. Bape, Banyanime, Bape Nime, Banyade. Not only meeting, the man was still surprised until the wife opened up and said, Cherry the whole the remaining kid, I said, here, egg. Ulo ya no under all this way yana serve egg on any egg on yana serve was woke up here the man effect to collapse. I'm not going to rush too long. The following day come with wrong way. A man who was thinking of a Bengue, a Hege, no money, we are being pursued out of house because there's no money to pay for our rent. He never knew that the wife was an angel to him. It was a wife, not a knife. Or the ma, or wine. Or the ma, a knife. Abokula nwaanyị ga-abụ na ebute awom ebuteke awom ebuteke wom asị gị na ọgwụla gị esi ngwa ọgwụla ni mgbe di gị na-asị ọgwụla gị esi ọgwụla.
Oh, Jesus.
Praise God.
Hallelujah.
I like women that will always surprise their husbands. Surprise them. One of them was telling the husband, me pelen shop. DNA here can get me a bag of shop. And I what a good deal with a bread. Yeah, me pay the shop with a little money. Imagine we here say very God this way. We here got, you know, webutazie go serve receive. Ego bago. I do ya with care. Come in. The man they surprised. I never knew that my wife was having some service. To the extent that ego wrote it. You must be industrious. You must be what?
Industrious.
Because time changes. All the time we talk at when that opportunity is available, use your initiatives. Abokula nwa ige men ge draw na eri oriri. Eweta butter, vom. Eweta sugar, vom. Eweta milk, vom. gị ṅụọ cowbell, gị ṅụọ peak milk, gị ṅụọ liquid milk.